Welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to show you the contents of Saudia Airlines Economy Class Amenity Kit. Please follow me on Instagram at BrandonJohnson10K for behind the scenes looks at content that I will be reviewing in the future. So here's a look at the amenity kit handed out from Saudia Airlines and Economy. So essentially you got a pouch there, just basic stuff. It is always nice to get an amenity kit though in Economy. Eye mask, that certainly came in handy on this nearly 12-hour flight in Economy. Got an eye mask. You've got a dental kit here, toothbrush and toothpaste. That can certainly come in handy waking up. Got some earplugs if you need that, and some socks as well. So just a basic amenity kit. Can't expect, honestly, wasn't expecting it at all. So when you go in with no expectations, you can be surprised, whether good or bad, I guess. So that's the amenity kit from Saudia Airlines in economy class. As always, I do appreciate you watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with a friend. Thank you.